Hey everyone, my name is Nick Lawrence, Executive Chef with Dining Services here at Dordt University, and today we're going to be making the Defender Sandwich. Super popular, and I know lots of you miss it, so we thought we'd share how you can make it at home during these times.
You're going to start off with a French bread or baguette and slice the ends off to square off the loaf. I often use the ends later in soup. We are then going to cut the bread into 3 to 4 inch pieces and butterfly each one. Place your sandwiches on a baking sheet with parchment paper underneath. This isn't necessary, but if any cheese melts off the sandwich, you can throw the parchment away and keep the tray clean. One of my favorite parts of the Defender sandwich is the secret sauce. For our Defender, we always mix equal parts of French dressing and mayonnaise. That's it. You thought there was some secret ingredient? No, it's pretty simple, so go ahead and make some at home. Make sure you mix the two together well enough to get to know each other, and then take your sandwich bread and spread a sizable amount on the bottom part. French bread or baguette tend to be a very porous bread, so it has lots of pockets for that sauce to sit in. Any sauce that you don't use on the sandwiches can be put in the container and saved for other culinary creations. We use a smoked turkey breast here, but you can use whatever meats you happen to have at home. I usually use 3 to 4 slices depending on how hearty I want the sandwich to be. Next will be a slice of smoked Gouda broken up and placed on top of the turkey. And bacon, because bacon makes everything better. Once you have assembled, place the tray of sandwiches in a 350-degree oven until the cheese starts to melt and the bread starts to crust up. Keep an eye on it or set a timer if you need to remind yourself. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our tomato and lettuce. When slicing tomatoes, I like to use a bread knife because it's a little bit easier to get consistent slices, and the acidity of the tomatoes dulls most other chef knives quicker than a bread knife. With the lettuce, we are going to pile it up with the ends facing the same way. Chop off any of the bitter ends and then cut the layered leaves into about 1/8 inch pieces for a nice shredded lettuce. Optionally, you could buy shredded lettuce to begin with, or simply put whole leaf lettuce on your sandwich. Time for assembly. As you can see, our bread has toasted and the cheese has started to melt. Personally, I like lettuce and tomato, but depending on your taste, you can remove one of these or replace it with your favorite topping. There you have it, a Defender sandwich for all of you to enjoy at home.